What is up, everyone? Got an unboxing video here to share with all of you. So I decided it was time for a new watch, and I went ahead and purchased one of these Apple Watch 5s. This is actually my first Apple Watch, and I'm really happy I got it. I'm enjoying it so far. I've had it for a couple of weeks now. This particular one here is the space gray 44mm aluminum case with Nike Sport Band. I really like the way the Nike Sport Band looked, and I wanted the aluminum case because of it being lighter. And of course, there in the video, you can actually see how well packaged it is. It's always fun to unpack stuff from Apple. It comes like really neatly packaged out, like perfectly. And there's the wall charger, comes with the standard wall charger. And that little thing right there is basically you just slap the watch on that, you plug that in, that's how that charges. This particular one here is also the cellular version. So I connected it to my Verizon account, and it was like $10 extra for me to share it in on my account with my phone. And so far, it's worked perfect. I fully charged the battery. I leave cellular on 24/7 all day. And basically, I go out and, I can talk on it, text on it. It's just the coolest thing that I've ever experienced. And you also get two bands here with it. One is large and one is small, which is really cool and good thinking on their part, because everyone's sizes are a little different. So right now I'm wearing the large one, and it seems to work well for me. It actually came packaged in this little thingy. I wrote a little soft velvety type material or something there. And you can see it is definitely very neat. It's got a little Nike logo on it there. It's just really cool to look at. There is no SIM card that goes in it. It basically has a digital SIM. So like when I called Verizon, they pretty much activated it. It took me 5 minutes to call, and they did it on their end. And the watch, I rebooted it, and it synced right up to the network. So, when you go to put, and like these bands here, when you go to put these bands in, they're really easy. You can just slide them down in place on the watch, which I'll show you here in a second. And again, they come neatly packaged, but they actually click down in place, so you can take them out real easy, just as easy as you can slide them in. And when you slide them in, they click, so they're good and secure in there. It's super easy to wear this thing. It slaps right on your wrist. I mean, I found the exact size for me. Mine's like the third little circle down, and it worked perfect. The third one in the middle just fits my wrist perfect, and I'm really happy with it. So I just want to share this unboxing with you guys. If any of you are having any thoughts about getting one, I highly recommend it because they're awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.